Running Hermes Agent on paid APIs can cost you hundreds of dollars per month. And that's why in this video I'm going to show you how you can run it 100% free and completely private on your own computer by using local models, which means that your data never leaves your PC, there are no rate limits, plus at the end we will go through the most popular local models so you can pick the one that can comfortably run in your computer, even if you don't have a powerful PC. Now if you don't know who I am, my name is Demian and I make over $10,000 per month testing out different AI tools. So close all of your other tabs and let's dive right into it. But before I show you how you can set this up, I want to first talk about how Hermes Agent actually works. Since Hermes Agent is the overall agentic harness that has all the different skills, features and system prompts that make it so powerful. But this agentic harness does need a brain to run, and that brain is an AI model. Now usually these AI models run in the cloud, and what that means is that every request runs on another company's server, which you have to pay for since you're basically renting their model and their compute, and that also means that your data actually leaves your computer, which makes it not private. Well, with the method that I'm going to show you in this video, we're going to use AI models that run on our own computer, which means that they're going to cost us absolutely nothing since we don't have to rent an AI model or compute from somebody else, and our data will also never leave our machine, which means that it is going to be 100% private. But now you might ask, well Demian, are these models actually as good as the paid ones, or will I see a significant drop in performance if I switch to local models? And to that my answer is that local models tend to be slightly below the best frontier models, since obviously you're not going to get the best possible quality, since the best frontier models run on very big and expensive machines. They obviously will give you slightly better quality, but at the very big expense of you having to pay for every single request, while local models are surprisingly pretty close to the best frontier models while being 100% free. And you can see this by taking a look at this benchmark over here for one very popular local model, which is GLM 5.2. And as you can see, GLM 5.2 in multiple of these different benchmarks actually scores very high and close to one of the best models in the world, which is Opus 4.8 by Anthropic, which means that using these local models is a no-brainer, especially if you don't want to pay hundreds of dollars to the frontier model companies. But now some of you might ask, well Demian, why don't I just run the best models locally in my PC? Because you simply can't, since Claude, GPT and Gemini are all closed source models, which means you cannot download them and run them in your own machine, and the only way to access them is by paying for them through their API. While there are other models developed from different companies which you can download on your PC completely for free and run them by yourself, like Gwen, Llama, DeepSeek and many more. And now the last question, and the question that is in most of your minds, is do you actually need a powerful PC to be able to run these local models? Since maybe you have heard that you need to have some supercomputer in order for you to be able to run them. And to that I have to say that is totally not true, since there are many different local models for all the different power capabilities of your PC. Now if you have a more modest PC with let's say 8 to 16 gigabytes of RAM, then there are smaller models that you can comfortably run and get pretty decent results. While if you have a more mid-range PC, you will be able to run bigger models and obviously get better results. And if you have some sort of supercomputer, then you will be able to obviously run the best local models and get the best possible results, which are going to be almost identical to the paid models from Anthropic and OpenAI. And don't worry, because at the end of the video I will show you exactly which model is the best to pick based on the power level of your PC. And now that you understand that, let me show you how you can actually download these local models and then use them through your Hermes Agent. Now the first thing that you have to do is to go over to ollama.com, which I will also leave a link for in the description below, and then you will need to download it either by copying this command and pasting it in your terminal, or the way that I prefer to do so is by clicking on the download Ollama button and then downloading the Ollama app for your operating system. Now once you install it and you open it up, you're going to see this interface over here, which is basically a simple chat box in which you can type whatever you want, and then next to that chat box there exists the model picker in which you can click and select to download any local model that you want. Let's say for example I wanted to download Gwen 3.6. I could simply come over here, click on the download button. This is going to start downloading the model, and once it finishes I will be able to send over a message and get a response from it. So now now that we have downloaded Ollama and our first local model, what we need to do is to also download Hermes Agent in our machine. So to do this, we need to go over to the official Hermes website, which I will also leave a link for in the description below, and then you can come over here and copy the terminal command for your operating system. For me, it is going to be Mac OS, so I'll simply copy it. Then we just need to open up a terminal. It can either be inside an IDE, like I'm doing right now, or it can either be natively in our PC, and then we simply need to paste in that command and click on enter. And what this is going to do is start downloading Hermes Agent into our system. And while it's downloading, I do want to say that this is the terminal version of Hermes Agent, and later on in the video I will show you how to run local models on the desktop application of Hermes Agent as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Now, as you can see, Hermes Agent just finished downloading in our PC, and now it is basically telling us to select the model that we're going to use, but we don't really need to configure that because we'll obviously not use a cloud-based model, and we're going to use a model that we have locally installed in our PC. So what I'm now going to do is open up a brand new terminal tab, and I'm going to come back over to Ollama and navigate over in the launch section over here, because in this section we can see that Ollama has specific commands to launch all these different AI coding agents with Ollama, like Cloud Code, ChatGPT, OpenClaw, and of course Hermes Agent. So what we're going to do is we will simply come over here and copy the command for Hermes Agent, and then simply come over here, paste in the command, and click on enter. And what this is going to do is launch Hermes Agent with Ollama. Now here we have some recommended models, which we can actually select download if we actually want, and then underneath we have the local models that we already have downloaded in our machine, which we can also select. But just to show you how you can download one, could come over here in the recommended, and let's say I wanted to select Gwen 3.6 for example, and I clicked on enter, and then yes, and now this is going to start downloading this model, and once it finishes, it's going to launch Hermes Agent with that model as the brain, which as you can see just finished installing, and it just launched Hermes Agent. As you can see, this is literally the logo of Hermes Agent, and if we scroll down here, we can see that Hermes is using the Gwen 3.6 model that we just downloaded. So if I come over here, for example, and I tell it, hey, what model are you actually using right now? And I send over this message, which Hermes Agent responded with, according to my current session context, I'm running Gwen 3.6 via custom provider, which means that it's successfully able to use a local model. And just so you can see it actively working in a real task, let me come over here and say, hey, I want you to build me a simple hello world website. And if I send this over, Hermes Agent is going to get into action and use the Gwen 3.6 local model that we just downloaded to build us a simple hello world website. And boom, as you can see, that's exactly what Hermes Agent went over and did for us, and it's telling us that we can check it out in our localhost URL, which we can see over here. But as you saw from before, where we initially launched Hermes Agent with Ollama, we didn't really have access to all the LLM models, and we just had access to some recommended ones and the ones that we have already installed in our PC. So now I want to show you how you can install any of the hundreds of local models that Ollama has locally in your machine. And how you can do that is by going back over to Ollama and then navigating over here in the models section, where you will basically be able to see all the different models that Ollama has. As you can see here, we have GLM 5.2, here we have Gemma 4, here we have Minimax M2.7. But now let's say that we wanted to download one of these models, which let's say was Gwen 3 Coder. Now all we would have to do is simply click on it, and that is going to bring us over to each Ollama interface, where here we can see the specific CLI command that we can copy, paste into a terminal, and download this model. But some models actually have many different versions, like this one, with different parameters. So for each one of these models, we can see exactly how much size/RAM usage they need to run in our machine. Now, as you can see, this one, for example, needs 19 GB of RAM, while a bigger version of Gwen 3 with 480 billion parameters needs 290 GB of RAM, which I obviously cannot run locally in my machine. So if I wanted to download Gwen 3, I would obviously need to opt in for one of the smallest versions, since my machine has just 32 GB of RAM. So to download one of these different versions in my machine, all I would have to do is to copy its name, then come back over to my terminal, then open up a brand new terminal and type in Ollama pool space, and then paste in the name of the model and click on enter. And what this is going to do is start installing that model in our machine. And once it's finished, we will be able to run it with our Hermes Agent. And now that the model has finished downloading, if I actually type in the same command as before to launch Hermes Agent, and I come down here to the more models that I have selected, I will be able to find and select the Gwen 3 Coder model that I just downloaded, which is going to spin up a Hermes Agent instance that is using the Gwen 3 Coder model that we just downloaded. So this is how you can use local models inside the terminal version of Hermes Agent. Now the problem with this is that most people don't actually use Hermes Agent through the terminal, and they actually actually use it through the desktop app that they have recently released, which is also the way that I would suggest you to use it, since you can very easily see all your previous chat conversations, and also you're able to manage everything significantly easier, like your cron jobs, your agents, your skills and tools, and basically all the features that Hermes Agent has. That's why now I'm also going to show you how you can use the local models that you downloaded inside the Hermes Agent app as well. Now the first step is to obviously download the app. So again, go back over to the Hermes Agent website. I will also leave a link for it in the description below, and then simply come over here and download it for your operating system. I will download it for macOS. Once you do that, simply open it up, and then to switch your model provider, you actually need to come over to the settings tab over here to the top of the page, and then what you need to do is to simply come over here to the model provider, click on this drop down menu, and scroll all the way down here to where you will see Ollama. So simply select that, and then you should be able to see all the local models that you have downloaded in your PC. Then you simply need to select one of them. I will select Gwen 3.5 for example, click on apply, and once I do that, then I will be able to come over here in my chat interface and say hello for example, and as you can see we just got the response telling us hello, how can I help you today, which means that we successfully managed to use Gwen 3.5 completely locally and completely private in our PC inside the Hermes desktop app. And just so you guys can see the power of this model, if I actually come over here and I say something like, hey, I want you to create me a simple website for a dental clinic, I spin it up as a local host so I can take a look at it, and I send over this prompt, Gwen 3.5 is going to get into work and create us this website, which I might add is going to happen completely for free since Gwen is running locally in our machine. And boom, Gwen 3.5 just finished building a dental clinic website, and now if I actually come over here and I open up a local host, I will be able to take a look at it, and as you can see this honestly does look super clean. Over here we have the book an appointment button and our services button. Underneath we have a comprehensive dental services, which shows basically all the services that the dental clinic is offering, then an about us section, then some reviews about the clinic, and then a simple contact us form so we can get in contact with that business. And I do have to say that I'm very impressed with the end result of this website. And now it's time to tell you what model you need to use based on the power level of your PC. Now if you have a more modest PC that has around 16 gigabytes of RAM, I would actually advise you to go with a model like Gemma 4, since Gemma 4 has multiple different versions that would accommodate that size. As you can see, they have one that takes up 9.6 gigabytes, 7.2, 9.6, and overall I would say anything that takes less than 10 gigabytes would be perfect for a machine with 16 gigabytes of RAM. Now if you have more of a mid-range PC, just like mine, with 32 gigabytes of RAM to spend, then you can also go for the bigger versions of Gemma 4, like these ones that require at least 18 and 90 gigabytes of free RAM, and they have around 30 billion parameters. And I would even advise you to go with a model like Gwen 3.6, which as you can see has similar RAM requirements. Now I do want to point one thing out, and that is you obviously do need to leave some empty space for your RAM in order for the rest things on your system to be able to run. And since operating systems usually take anywhere from 4 to 6 gigabytes of RAM to run, then make sure you include that in your calculations when you're looking at the required RAM size that each model has. And now if you have a very powerful PC, basically a supercomputer, which I assume that most of you don't really have, but if you do, then running a model like GLM 5.2 would be the best thing for you, since at least in my opinion it's by far the best free locally hosted AI model, especially for coding. So that was how you can run Hermes Agent completely for free using local models in both your terminal and also inside the Hermes Agent desktop app. Now if you want more dedicated help with setting this up, then make sure you click the top link in my description and you come and check out my school community where I help people use AI and build their own AI business. So if you want to see some proof for that along with some testimonials of our community members, then make sure you click the top link in my description and you come and check out my school community. But also YouTube thinks that you're going to enjoy this video, how you can set up Hermes Agent completely for free without requiring a powerful PC, and even if you have just 8 gigabytes of RAM, by using free AI models that run in the cloud. So make sure you go and watch that next, and I will see you over there.